Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out in Leawood, Kansas. This is a interior basement golf pit. We did one of these also in Leawood a little over a year ago. This one is a little bit smaller, but we have been, as you can see on the the perimeter here, we have run into nothing but bedrock on trying to do the excavation. We saw cut the floor, the existing concrete basement floor, got that layer of gravel out of the way, and then we're met with nothing but this bedrock trying to get this pit down to depth. So the rock excavation will all be wrapped up today. So we'll finally be able to get in here with forms next week to start getting this set up to pour the concrete and hopefully wrap this up here in the next week and a half or so. But yeah, everything is looking to be moving right along. About 2 weeks of extra work here on this job that we didn't plan for or expect. The last golf pit that we did, once we got the floor cut out, it was just dirt, and that was a relatively easy excavation. But yeah, now we are just trying to get this rock out of here so we can start setting up our forms. But once this is done, things should move quite a bit quickly on this, getting it all wrapped up. We have a pretty straight shot from the egress window that we're going to be installing as well to hopefully get the concrete out here, get this pumped inside the forms, and make relatively quick work of getting this set. So once this excavation is done, we have forms to set up next week, and then we should be doing the footing and the walls along the perimeter monolithic. We may do the stairs during that step as well. And then once that first pour is done, we need to get the gravel spread over the floor, get our vapor barrier on top, and then we have one more pour of concrete for the actual golf pit floor. In the corner over here, we need to end up putting in a new sump pump as well. There's a lot of water that is going to potentially get in here if we don't have that. Luckily, we haven't had to deal with much rain since we started this project, so we're just trying to make sure everything is covered before we start getting concrete poured and this project wrapped up. This pipe right here, we're just gonna have to slightly reroute so it's not in the way. And then we're gonna end up putting in a new steel post once we get everything wrapped up to keep that home supported. So yeah, everything is looking to finally be moving along quickly now that we have the rock wrapped up today. So stay tuned for more updates as we continue along. King Piers out here in Leawood, Kansas. 816-288-4373, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always check out all of our current and past project videos on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.